Snake Plant Care Guide. If a prize were available for the most tolerant plant, snake plant Sansevieria would certainly be one of the front runners. Snake plant care is very straightforward. These plants can be neglected for weeks at a time, yet with their strappy leaves and architectural shape, they still look fresh. Today, we are going to learn more about Sansevieria and why they're such a must-have in your home in this care guide. How much light do snake plants need? Snake plants prefer low light levels. If you put them in too much light, they may burn. So to be on the safe side, put them in bright and direct light. How much water do snake plants need? You might be surprised to hear that snake plants can go weeks without watering. So, if you go on vacation a lot, these plants are perfect. Also, be sure to let them dry out between waterings. What problems might you face with snake plants? They may have something wrong with the leaves like yellowing or possibly brown tips, but this is very uncommon. Types of snake plants. Types of snake plants include Sansevieria golden honeyeye, Sansevieria trifasciata twist, and Sansevieria bantal sensation, and many more amazing varieties. Why own a snake plant? Well, in summary, snake plants are pretty easy to take care of. They are great at removing harmful toxins from the air, and they also flower. You might not believe me, but it's true. The flowers on a snake plant look like this. Aren't they crazy? They kind of remind me of sea urchins, or maybe something that you find underwater. They are really amazing. They are also inexpensive, which is always great. So in other words, snake plants are definitely the it plant right now in homes and offices. So why not put one in your home? Big or small? No, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Thanks for watching this snake plant care guide, and I hope it was helpful to you.